What's up, guys? Shamil here, New Auto Glass, and I'm working on a Honda, and this glass was replaced before, and it has a part number for a windshield 2816, but I brought 2814. The difference is this bracket. So instead of going back, what you could do is torch it and pull it off. So let me get the torch ready and I'll show you. Give me 1 second. All right, I got my torch and we just heat it up. Just be careful, don't burn anything. You want to heat the bracket itself. The heat might crack the glass. So you torch the bracket, then take a pliers, any pliers, so you don't burn your fingers off. Get this ready. Hold on. And grab onto it. All done. Shake it. Alright, it's still tight, it's loose, but it's tight. Let's get the torch back again. And just torch it again. Don't torch the glass because you will break it. Torch the bracket. Get it hot. Alright. Try it again. See, it came off. There you go. Now I just got to clean that off and glue it to the new windshield. I'm sure a lot of you guys know how to do this. I just want to show it anyway. Thank you, guys.